Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show off a few of the key features from the project I've been building over the last few months. This is still an early version of the app without some of the newer features and UI updates that I'm working on currently, so it's going to look a little rough around the edges, and I'm only really going to show the core parts. What you see first is a sort of welcome screen. As I've mentioned in my posts, right now the only people who use this are my family and I to rank our music. So that's why you see the title, Strahan Family Music. With the completed version, there's an option to save and work with different collections of songs. That is sort of what this name represents. You can name it whatever you'd like. There are three core parts to the ranking app. There's ranking, import, and pending. So first I'm going to take a look over at the import screen. Here there's a search bar which updates in real time as you type in it. It updates with results from Spotify's search, including tracks, albums, and playlists. So you'll see it comes up with several options. Now, if I select one, I could click import and that would bring it into the queue for ranking. I already have several songs in there, so we're going to go ahead and take a look over at the ranking menu. As you can see, there are two tracks listed here. The first you'll see is the song that is next up in the queue to be ranked, and the second is one that is already in the rankings. So we can see over here in the current rankings that Jack and Jill is at 43rd, so it's right in the middle. And that's kind of how this ranking system works, is it starts out in the middle, and then whether or not you say it's better or worse, it'll hop up or down respectively, halfway each time until it eventually reaches a point where it can't move up and down anymore, and it will place the song there and then move on to the next. So for instance, if I say Claire Loon is better than Jack and Jill, the next song it finds is Hitchin' a Ride, which is up here at 22. And then if I were to say it's worse, it'll move halfway down again, between Hitchin' a Ride and Jack and Jill to find Puff the Magic Dragon. And it'll continue this, like I said, until it reaches a point where it stops and moves on to the next song. Now, say while I'm ranking music, I would like to listen to the song. I can hit play, and you'll hear it begin playing. I can pause as well and resume playing the song. I also have the ability in the settings to choose from the different devices that Spotify shows currently. So you'll see we're currently on Grayskull, which is my computer, and I can switch it to Pixel 4, which is my phone. And when that takes over, you might be able to hear it over my mic playing from my phone. And then we can switch back. So say if while I'm ranking a song, I would decide that I don't want to rank it right now for whatever reason, I can click the skip button and it will move on to the next song in the queue, restart in the middle of the rankings, and then that song that we skipped will move to the bottom of the pending list, which we can go ahead and take a look at now. So the pending menu shows a couple songs that we already have here and gives you the option to either accept or deny them back into the queue for ranking later. So if I were to deny the songs that I have in here, I will see that I have Claire de Lune at the bottom of the list. And then if I were to accept it, it goes into the queue, and there are no songs left to be pending. So that's it for this demo of the core app functions. If you have any questions or are interested in finding out more about what's still to be shown, you can feel free to get in touch with me at any time. I'm always happy to talk, and otherwise you can keep an eye on my website for updates and more. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.